It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 11th of February. I'm James Spann. Much colder tomorrow, another cold air shot Sunday, and cold and unsettled next week. A lot of things to talk about here. First off, a reminder. We're on the road this month. Tomorrow night we'll be in Reform, the First Alert Storm Team Tour. We'll be in Reform between 4 and 6:30. Just a meet and greet. Stop by, say hi. We have prizes we'll give away every hour. Everybody gets something to take home. You see the schedule there for the rest of the month. We've had great crowds so far. Check the Skycam shots. Looking pretty good today. That's the Chehaw Skycam in East Alabama. Nothing but blue sky and sunshine. Down to the south, that's a Selma Skycam overlooking the Alabama River and the Edmund Pettus Bridge. And doesn't that look inviting? That's the Alabama Gulf Coast, as seen from our Skycam at the Phoenix All Suites down at Gulf Shores. A cloudless sky, a deserted beach. Wow. Big clipper system coming down through the Great Lakes. That'll be pulling down cold air tomorrow. But today feels pretty good. Temperatures are in the upper 50s and low 60s. Tuscaloosa at 62. But tomorrow the high will be in the lower 40s, about 20 degrees colder than what we have today. You see that cold air nosing down into the upper Midwest. That's the air we're going to feel tomorrow. Got some wind chill advisories up north. We'll see those expanding in coming days. It's going to get brutally cold by the weekend up there and even down here. Overall rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday evening. Our rain just beyond this period. Rain will likely come in on Tuesday of next week. And, of course, the big question, will we have a chance of snow at some point next week around here? We'll talk about that and much more as we go through model graphics. This is the global forecast system, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon at 500 millibars. Trough sharpening up over the east. Down below that, we turn windy and cold. Again, the high tomorrow in the low 40s. Strong north winds of 15 to 25 to make it feel colder. But the sky should be mostly sunny. Friday, the morning should be cold. Let's say the low between 18 and 21. And the high Friday afternoon should be in the mid-40s. The sky sunny and not as windy on Friday. This is Saturday. We start the day in the 20s, but we'll warm up Saturday afternoon into the 50s. That will be the nicest day of the weekend. The guidance coming in a bit warmer, so a chance we do exceed 50 on Saturday, and that'll feel pretty good. But we note that big old nasty, cold 1,050 millibar high that is located on the Canadian border. And that's going to send some really cold air down here on Sunday. You can see Sunday, big trough over the eastern part of the country. And down below that, cold air advection. The latest GFS is printing a high of 33 on Sunday for Birmingham. With the low Sunday morning in the low 20s, I think Monday morning might wind up being the coldest morning. But looks like a pretty good chunk of North Alabama stays below freezing all day Sunday. And the wind chill Sunday morning is going to be very low. This is the projected wind chill index at 6 o'clock Sunday morning. That's a -5 at Fort Payne, 5 below zero. The wind chill index at Birmingham at 3. So getting up, going to church Sunday, you'll need to bundle up. Now, this is Monday of next week. We warm up with a high in the upper 40s. And you see that storm system off to the west. And this is Tuesday at midday. And as we forecast, it's going to be a rainy day Tuesday. Rain is likely. A 1,003 millibar low is just north of the Shoals. And a pretty good snow event unfolds for St. Louis and Indianapolis and Cleveland. If this is right. This is midnight Tuesday night, Wednesday 12 a.m., the surface low rolling northeast, and you can see potential for the rain changing over to a wintry mix of maybe some freezing rain, sleet, and snow across North Alabama. And that's going to be the tricky period here in the forecast. And obviously, we're still a week away here, and this will change. And then this is Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock, very cold. Lingering flurries will be in the 30s all day, Wednesday. And then at midday, the flurries are winding down, but still very cold. You can see the freeze line at midday Wednesday is below Montgomery. This is suggesting maybe parts of North Alabama not getting out of the 20s on Wednesday of next week. And this is the latest snow look here. And you can see the really big numbers are up north. St. Louis, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, with about 10 inches to 1 foot up there. This is suggesting Nashville with about 2 inches and hardly any of accumulation down here, maybe a little bit in the grass, and that's it. And this is assuming that this would be, for us, mainly a Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning type event. And, no major accumulation here, if this is right. But again, this is going to change. Remember the look I showed you this morning? It has second wave coming in here Wednesday with a big snow for Alabama, even big snows down in South Alabama. So there is so much uncertainty. There is no need to even think this is carved in stone. It's not. It will change. I promise that. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 21st of February. This is Saturday, the 21st. Pretty cold look for much of the country. And you can see that's still very chilly there. It's temperatures are below freezing that morning here. So pretty cool temperatures coming off the ensembles. You see the cold shot tomorrow, the cold shot Sunday, the cold shot middle of next week. So at least 3 good cold shots are on the way. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.